Good morning. This is the New York session stream, taken as part of our Road to Funded series. If you're joining us for the first time, welcome. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Go on and turn on that little bell because we are live every day at 7:30 a.m. Eastern, 12:30 p.m. Watts, West African time. That being said, let's get into the charts. All right, my brother, Afana. Yeah, you're right. It is 5 days a week, isn't it? You're right. 5 days a week. Monday to Friday. Okay. So let's get into the charts real quick. Broski, I don't know if you did this cause I'll go mute you I'll go unmute you if you did in a second. I just run this. Okay, you did. Yeah. Man's cooking in the kitchen. We're gonna try and cook on the charts. Let's get it. Okay, so Asian session, I got some trades. I got a little bit of I got a little position on both gold and GJ. Actually, the gold buys, I got in some gold buys, but I got stopped out break even, right? Cold figure, right? Just gold being gold, you know. I was somewhere in here, and then I got stopped out with this little wick down here before the push up. It is what it is, really. GJ, I got some minor buys on GJ as well during Asian. Oh yeah, my buys were like last night Asian session. I'm guessing you guys took it this morning, innit? But yeah, so the account is currently looking like this. We are currently about $22 away from, $32 away from 5%. So hopefully we can get to that today on stream, and I believe we should be eligible to, you know, get the 14-day extension today. Right, so once we reach the 5% today, I believe we're gonna be able to, you know, call for the extension. I believe we'll see the button pop up somewhere here, and we'll be able to request the 14-day extension. Right, but that's neither here nor there. Let's get into some analysis. All right, so like we said yesterday, right, we've closed inside this range similar to this, right? Because we called that we were gonna close inside this range if we were mirroring a move similar to this candle over here, right? Because this candle technically, so if we're saying this is level 1 here, this level where this candle rejected off of, if we're saying this is level 1, this is level 2, this is level 3, right? We tapped into level 1 here and closed in between this range of level 2 and 3. Here we tapped into level 2, so it only makes sense that we would close inside this range of level what is this, 3 and 4, right? So that's what we were anticipating to happen, and that's what we got, right? So now the question is, the next, if we're mirroring this, you know, a move similar to this, maybe to even come here and tap this level 4, right? If we're anticipating a move similar to this, where are we gonna find our bottom wick, right? Because this candle pulled back a fair bit, right? It pulled back a fair bit to around these areas here, right? 185, around 185, right? So the question now is, where are we gonna find our support to bounce off of to continue this move up, right? That's yet to be seen. We could just start driving up here. We have created this bottom wick, right? So I mean, it is a bottom wick. We're not sure if it's the bottom wick, but it's a bottom wick. So we could just flip here at any time and continue to drive up, but that has yet to be seen, right? So we'll see as we move along, but we are looking for buys. All right, weekly, same sort of idea, right? Close bullish, we've come down, created this bottom wick, taking out these lows. Are we gonna flip here now and start to drive, or are we gonna see some more pullback here? But if you look at the weekly though, in terms of rejection areas, you have a fair bit of rejection around here, right? You have one rejection here, two rejection, you have three rejection, but this one to the downside. I mean this one too, right? Technically it's here, but if you look, yeah, if you look at this level now, all right, if you look at this level, where can you anticipate? If you're looking at, say, the median level of all these levels you drew up, you would be anticipating price to tap into something like 189-ish, right? 189 area, right? 189.1, around there. But you don't know yet, right? You're not too sure yet, right? The lower time frames will tell us, but I would assume we would tap in a little bit lower here, but this is the weekly chart, so that's not something that we necessarily have to do. It's just something to keep in mind, right? We could still start coming down. I believe we looked at 189.2 as the level yesterday. I think that's the level we're considering, you know, finding that support off of to continue to drive up yesterday. Yeah, but we'll see. You fasting? What do you mean fasting? Daily. All right, let's see how so the daily closed bearish, right? So daily close bearish, that gives us, yeah, I'd say that gives us let me see. Yeah, so with the daily closing bearish, that gives more legitimacy to the idea of price coming back for a steeper pullback, right? Yeah, because with this daily closing bearish, right, we could flip here and then drive down, and I believe we had 189.2, right? So if we have 189.2, right, if we have 189.2 around as our level, can we come down here for the day and tap into that level, right? So fill the rest of this range going down, tap into that level, find support, and then start coming back up, right? So something like this, right? Something like this, and then continue our move up, right? Can we do that? I am not sure, right? We'll need to wait for price to form here, but that is a possibility. That is a possibility. But with the daily being bearish though, yeah, I'm bullish, but the daily is bearish. Let me see, are there levels there? Let me see. Okay, let me see the lower time frames. Yeah, because I am bullish overall, but with the daily being bearish, it's something you still have to keep in mind, you know? You have to keep that fact in mind. Okay, so I have my levels there. I have support over here. Hold up. Okay, looks like we're currently inside this little range here. This current 4 hour has no bottom wick, so we could flip at any time and come back in range, right? Okay. So this has held as resistance and support. Okay. Yeah, so let's see what happens here. Because I mean the daily is bearish, right? But we created this bottom wick first. This is the first thing we did. We created this bottom wick, took out these lows. Yeah, we could still flip at any point here, right? We still could flip at any point. And to be honest with it, if this 4 hour flipped, we'll probably see some more sales going down, right? I mean, yeah, we would probably see some more sales going down. if that 4-hour flip. But yeah, I'm gonna keep in mind that we did close bearish on the daily, but to be honest, I am still looking for buys, but it depends on how price forms on the lower time frames as well. So let's see. Yeah, so in terms of buys, you have this level here. Okay, sells. Yeah, I'm not gonna touch sells until about here. Yeah, I don't really want to play inside this range too much. Yeah, so that's the thing with the levels, right? The levels are just to guide how you view price, right? To guide how you view, yeah, like it's basically because they determine the lens through which you see the markets, all right? Because as price forms, depending on where your level is, you're getting a different story, right? If I have my level here, this is telling me, oh, we've pulled up into this range and now this is a pullback, right? This might just be a pullback to continue to push up. If I have my level here, right? If I have my level here, we've run into resistance. Now I need to wait for a closure above, right? So your levels are just to guide your outlook on the markets, right? How you view the current patterns that are forming in the markets and all that, right? So yeah, so I'm gonna consider this for now. So that'll be the 30. So the 4-hour flip is at what price? 190.5 ish area. Okay, so down here. Okay, so that would be the flip. And if we can continue driving down from there, interesting. Okay, so for now, right? For now, I'm just gonna have this level here. So if we come here, we're flipping on the 4-hour, right? We're flipping back into that range, right? Okay. Okay. Yeah, so I'm just gonna have these levels for now. Yeah, even taking the buys in this range, I would need price to create a steeper bottom wick. If we close into this range right now, I would wait for a very steep bottom wick before I took the buys going up. Especially if the 4-hour is still open, I would basically wait for a bottom wick on the 4-hour. Yeah. See the hourly here. If you just consider the full range, right? Man, I'm in a breakdown, bro. I can't be reading and doing a breakdown, brother. I don't got the chat on the same screen, man. Okay. Yeah, so let's yeah, we'll go with these levels for now, and we'll change it up as price develops here. Yeah, because we could continue going for the sells, to be honest, but we'll see. Yeah, we'll see for now. Let's keep, actually I'll just push this level down here. Yeah, let's see how we form in and around these areas, and then we'll decide what to do from there. Yeah, because you do have this level here as well, right? So yeah, let's see how the price forms here. Let's see how the 8 o'clock closes and beyond as well. All right, on to gold real quick, but let me see what this pig on you to say. I'm Pentecostal, bro. It's not I mean, I guess we do fast, but I'm not fasting. I don't know. I'm focusing on both. Whichever one gives me the trade in it. For GJ, like I said, I'm looking for I am bullish on GJ, but we did close bearish on the daily, right? The previous daily. So I'm just waiting to see what price does at this point. As for gold, I mean, pretty self-explanatory. I'm looking for buys, isn't it? Daily, let me see the 4. Okay, so I mean, gold pretty straightforward for now. I mean, buys, right? We just looking for buys. So I mean, we tapped into all-time highs again. This is a new all-time high. We just made it again. So most times, right, if you look at this candle, right, most times when we make this all-time high, we reject and then we have a fair bit of pullback, right? So now we've come here, we've made this all-time high. Once this 4-hour candle closes bearish like this, we should see, well, that's speculation for now, but we should see some pullback, right? We should see some pullback if this is where it wants to stop, right? Because this is only the all-time high once this candle closes, right? Because we could just flip and then continue pushing up, right? So this isn't really confirmed that, okay, this is where it wants to tap into before rejecting, right? It might just flip up on this 4 and then reach a little bit higher, right? So yeah, once this 4-hour closes, we should see some pullback going down. That's if the pullback doesn't happen before the close, right? So we'll see. I mean, overall, I'm bullish, right? But I am anticipating some pullback here. But we'll see. We shall see. Yeah, I mean, even look at this hourly, right? We have this level here. Current candle has no top wick. We could just flip at any point here and then drive up, fill the rest of this range, take out the current highs. Yup. No. Yeah, I mean, for the most part, the levels are straightforward here. It's just, you know, we're all-time highs, man. Not much levels to play off of, to be honest. But, well, no, we do have a decent amount of levels, to be fair, for all-time highs. Yeah, we have formed some levels here that we can work with. Yeah, so you have this level here. You could reject off of this level. So we close below this level here. We could reject off of this and then close below 2254 here. If we close below 2254, I believe we're good for some sales going down here. Minimum to this level 2251.7. which is about a 20 pip range. Yeah, my levels are not the best right now, but we'll see how price forms. That's why you have to keep on updating. With each closer, you update the levels you're considering, right? That's how we sort of, called the sales on GJ yesterday, right? This sales going down on GJ, because if you remember, we were looking for buys initially, but then I moved, I believe, what level did I move? I think I moved this level. I moved the level. I forget which level I moved, but I moved the level and then the whole story changed, right? So you always want to update your levels as more candles get printed. But for now, this is what we got. I don't really, it's not the nicest looking, levels, but yeah, I mean, somebody's probably buying right now, right? You're anticipating the top wick for the hourly. I mean, yeah, man, because previous candle closed bullish, right? Previous candle closed bullish, so chances that this candle is gonna have a top wick is pretty high. So if you took a buy right now, I mean, this is 26 pip range. So if you took a buy right now, on the flip of this candle, you're out at break even. Take your profits right there, right? But I don't really have an entry off of that. But that is something that could happen here. But I don't really have that entry, because we could just reject off of here before we actually flip, right? So that's that would be a problem. Yeah, if this 4-hour flips, we should see. Yeah, if this 4-hour closes bullish, we should see buys for the day, but we'll see. We shall see. All is speculation at this point. Speculation and anticipation. Anticipate, speculate, speculate and anticipate. And masters. Nah. Chill out. Hey. This guy, what you need to cook? What you cooking, man? Yeah, if we get a closer above here on GJ, yeah, I need a convincing bottom wick. Yeah, just because this 4-hour has no bottom wick, right? Because we could just reject at any point and flip, right, and start driving down. Plus the daily close bearish, so I would need a good bottom wick before I take these buys going up. But it looks like we might just close inside this range or above this level. So yeah, keep that in mind. Yeah, I'd probably look for, I mean, ideally you would want bottom wick to create, you would want a bottom wick to, hold up. Yeah, you would want a bottom wick to flip the 4-hour and then drive up, right? So you would want a bottom wick to 190.5 and then drive up. That would be the most ideal position to take. Let me see. Oh, what we saying for news? What we saying for news though? What we saying for news? Today is Tuesday. Happy Easter, by the way, guys. That was yesterday, but it's a season, you know. It's a whole season. So we have news at 10. Hopefully we're out of here by 10. JOLT's job openings. I don't think I've ever seen this news. Jolt's job openings. Jolt's job openings. All positions that are open and not filled, included in job openings and labor turnover survey. Job openings and labor turnover survey. Jolts. Yeah, that's a new one. I haven't seen that one before. Maybe I just haven't paid attention to it. Okay, so we're coming up here. An early trade would be nice. An early trade would be nice. Because we were here for like 4 hours yesterday. Almost 4 hours yesterday. Oh yeah, and what's it called? My dashboard got fixed. It was a problem with the dashboard. It wasn't the servers. Yeah, I don't know about that one, bro. I don't know about that one. Have you seen Jolt in action before? Or it just mean like job creation is better than joblessness or job loss? Let me know when you want to get unmuted or on deafened. Malians. Wait, why should they jolt? Why not how they jolt? Yeah, that's crazy, dog. I don't even know what that means, to be honest. Yeah. Okay. Okay, so A92 in the building. Yeah, it's funny, bro. It's 27. We've already been on stream for 27 minutes, and I just started. It's crazy, you know. Time be going crazy quick when you streaming. Time move crazy. So take my pain away. Yeah, so we driving up here on GJ, right? Again, like I said, it's a tough one to take these buys, to be honest, off rip. I need a good bottom wick. An ideal bottom wick is to 190.5. That would be ideal. Trying to see here. Yeah, because I mean, in isolation, the 30-minute and the 1, right, and the 1 hour in isolation, right, this is buys all day off rip. But yeah, this 4 hour has no bottom wick, and we do technically have this crash right here, so we could just flip at any point here on the 4. Okay, but I guess we would need to tap into a level to flip. Yeah, but this is a level though, to be fair. On the 4 hour, right? We have rejected off this level right here on the 4 before. 4 before. Lol. Okay, let's see. Let's see. If we close above that level, maybe I'll consider us. Yeah, so we closed respecting this level here. And we opened with no bottom wick. Yeah, so no trades for me right now. No trades right now, but this could just push up and kill this range, right? We could kill this whole range right now. So if your positions or if your strategy is saying take the buy, hey, go ahead, my brother. But right now, yeah, so there goes your flip. Let's see what happens here. If we can get a pullback, right? Get a pullback 190.5, then flip, I'll be in there, right? So 2 ways I could get in this trade: pullback 190.5, flip, right, to go back to continue to drive up, or a 15-minute close, right? If we get a 15-minute close, say a 15-minute close, bearish respecting, next 15-minute comes down, breaks the low of that 15, then I'll have a buy stop at the break of these highs over here, or wherever the highs are. Yeah, we could drive up here, guys. We could drive up here, and it's the give and take of the way we trade, right? It's the give and take of the way we trade. Because the fact that we're looking for so many things to line up, the fact that we have so many boxes to check before we actually get into a trade, we tend to you're gonna miss out on you're gonna miss out on some moves just by the nature of that, right? just by design. By design, you're gonna miss out on some moves, but it also guarantees that most of the moves you're taking are gonna play out, are gonna at least hit for TP1, right? Hence why our stream record is so good. Not even bragging, I'm just saying, objectively speaking, right? Objectively speaking, because I see a lot of trades every single day, right? I mean, if I was taking every potential trade I saw, I'd be taking 5 trades a session. Every stream, I'd be taking 5 trades. Yeah, man. Okay, so let me see what gold did. What did gold do? Goldilocks. Goldilocks, Goldilocks, Goldilocks. The gold closed bullish, so we sort of had a fake out here on the 30. Yeah, gold sort of faked out on the 30. Yeah, we haven't had 5-minute entries in a while, huh? Yeah, man. It's been a minute. Okay, can we create a bottom wick here? Because now that we're driving down, you could just flip on this 4-hour and you'd be gone. You would be gone. I mean, yeah, man. If you flip on the 4, right? If you flip on the 4, where would you take sells? You could still reject off of here, right? So, yeah, if we end up flipping on the floor and driving down a little bit lower here, it's gonna be interesting. We might start looking for the sells going down. They'll probably be somewhere around here though, just because we have rejected off of this level before going up, right? So even if we flip here, if we tap into this level, we could just find support to continue to move up, right? At that point, I'll probably get some buys on the way up, right? Before we even break into this level, I'll probably get some buys on the way up. But for now, we chilling. We just chilling. Hold up, let me see. Are you saying? Are you talking? You hear me? So if I don't think so. Talk to Discord. So. Ain't not too. Oh, well, no way. Get right, get left, or get stretched with the realest drillers 10 times, you know. Yo, it's a Tuesday, but it feel like, I don't even know. Feel like the end of the week. It's been a long 2 days, man. Jesus. I guess that's a good thing, huh? Or maybe that's a bad thing. I don't know. I mean, they say time flies when you're having fun. So I guess if it's a long 2 days, that means you're working in it. So well, work should be fun, I guess. No, it shouldn't. No, it shouldn't. I'm bugging. I don't even consider trading work, man. I mean, it's definitely not work. I ain't getting paid from this shit. Shit, it's just a challenge, bro. No, I'm getting paid, but not in, legal tender. I'm getting paid in skill and character, because the charts do build character, man, especially if you're serious about becoming a profitable trader in the long term, right? Because you need patience. You need to build patience, you need to build discipline. The charts will tell you who you are, I'm telling you, for sure. You'll always see a reflection of yourself in the way you trade. Don't forget, you joining us for the first time, go ahead, look back on some of the lives. Oh yeah, I always pin some, what are they called, timestamps. I always pin the timestamps in the comments, so you guys don't have to sit through the whole stream trying to find where I took a trade. So if I ever take a trade, I pin the key parts of the stream in the comment section. So that would be the intro. Well, the intro is not key, but hey, why not, right? Yeah, the intro, the breakdown, the trade entry, and the trade conclusion. I haven't made a short from yesterday's W yet, but I might not, just because I don't like how I managed the trade. But I guess that's not something I should get used to, right? I should probably just make shorts for everything, because if I'm not making shorts for the wins that I just don't like how I managed, imagine the losses, right? Then I'm not gonna even make shorts for the losses. So I guess I should just keep consistent and make shorts for everything. Yo, the last short, come on, y'all, I don't even understand how the algorithm works at this point, bro. What? I don't even understand how the algorithm works at this point. Look at this. Somebody come take a look at this. See this one, right? You know what I thought? I mean, you can't even control your, what's it called? You can't control your thumbnail for shorts. But I thought, okay, this one probably did this well because it was, my actual MT4 terminal up here with the profit, right? So people were like, oh, he $20 deep. You know what I mean? Let me see what this is about, right? I lucked out, and it was the same one. It was the same thumbnail here. Even more money here. It's just like 37 right here, but they don't care, man. All I want to say is that they don't really care about us, dog. Nah, y'all go like the shorts. See, even I like it. Let me make sure I like everything. Let me see. See this one. This one has 9 likes. But how many views does it have though? That's the last one. Oh no, this, yeah, so that makes sense. Yeah, this Conor McGregor one did bits though, comparatively. Yeah, one more short coming up soon, the near future. I'll try and do it today if I have time. a lot of things are like, before you do something new, you tend to you overthink, or you over. Okay, the guy is back.
Of course, he's not on Discord.
Yeah, I'm here, nigga.
I knew it. See, chat. The fastest way to get this Agbero to respond is to roast him. But if I said something like test it, 1, 2, the nigga have just left me.
Wait, talk something.
Something.
Why is the Discord audio not moving?
Let me increase it.
No.
No.
It's not you. Like the audio here is not moving at all. I'm not picking up your sound.
Alright. I'll be back in like 2 seconds. I need to get my coffee.
Wait, talk something again before you go.
Coffee.
Okay. Now it's picking you up. Wait, guys, see there? Okay. Well, yeah. What was I saying? What was I saying? Yeah, I forgot. I think it was. If I forgot, it wasn't important. All right. Okay, so you see, this is why we didn't want to take the buys off rip, right? Within this range, too many things going on, right? This 4 hour could still flip. 4 hour could still flip. We tapped into a level we've rejected before on the 4 hour, right? So this could just be the rejection, right? This could just be the rejection for this whole 4 hour to flip and drive down. So yeah, the daily close bearish as well. Even though I'm understanding we have made this bottom wick already, so we could continue up for the day. Maybe that's a retest of this daily level. We'll see, right? We'll see. These are all things you need to take into consideration. It creates a whole picture, right? If you focus too much on just one time frame, that's how you get trapped. You have to create the whole picture. And again, that means you're gonna miss out on some trades, man. That's just the nature of the beast. It's give and take. You can't have it all within one strategy, man. You have the best, I don't know. You have the best RR in the strategy. You might have, I don't know what. It might not happen as much, right? The frequency of the trades that you get, the positions might not be the best, right? That kind of thing. It's a give and take. You just find one that suits, your personality or your okay, so what just closed? 15? Yeah, 15 just closed, right? We closed bearish back into the range. So now we've come all the way down here, I mean at this point, for sure, right? For sure we're waiting for a 30-minute close minimum. We're waiting for a 30-minute close. Ideally you want to tap into this level, then flip, right, on the 30, then flip bullish. Maybe not bullish, but ideally you want to tap into this level and then close above here. All right, once you close above here, create a bottom wick, a little bit of a bottom wick. Doesn't need to be too much, maybe a bottom wick to this level here, and then you can drive up. Then you can take your bias going up, or then I can take my bias going up. You do what you need to do. But hey, if you're in the stream, if you want to put your 2 cents in, let me know.
Yeah, so I only have 1 cent. Is that still good enough?
I'm going to mute you.
X or Y?
Yeah, bad. Wallahi, you be mad, my guy.
Either you got it or you don't.
Nonsense.
What we say.
I see where I cop stop people for Unite. I vexed yesterday, guy.
Yeah, man, I've been suffering in that Unite too. Just going
Yeah.
up and down in rank. I'm like this close to master rank. Oh fucking hell! Of course, this thing just drops. It is what it is.
Yeah,
But chat,
yesterday.
today was profitable overall, so I can't complain.
Nice. Noise.
And
Okay.
oh well.
So this is a good pullback here. Hey, bro, are you on stream?
I'm about to rejoin.
Okay, that means someone else is here. Hey, if you on stream, let us know, man.
Okay, now I'm on stream.
Let's relate. Talk to us. You a new trader? What you trade? Trade futures? Trade Forex? What you trade? How long you been trading? You got some tips for me? Because I am trying to learn. As much information as I'm trying to give out, I'm trying to learn even more, you know? Learn from the goats.
Yeah, activated that trader race. I said you activated that trader race.
Yeah, nah, man. Yo.
Next thing you know, you hear one deep voice coming.
Baby, lock them doors and turn the lights down low. Oh my god. I can't reason what to say. You did knock baby, you can't use trader times. I'm about to take profit. If you want hit. Good.
Oh, but the melts were beautiful today.
Where?
No, on pretty much all the US indices. Like if you open them now, you'll see what I mean. When the three of them start moving or pushing in a similar direction, like a good amount of the times, you know that that move is going to happen. So S&P 500, US 30, and NAS 100, they're all dropping. Already, well, I didn't collect profit. I got stopped out.
Yes, they are. Crazy.
But I was stopped out in profit, so
yeah.
But I knew it though. I was like, man, this thing needs to drop. But you know, man had to be safe. It is what it is. Because I was not going to. Because if this trade went south, I was going to be back in. Well, maybe not a loss, but overall break even, but a bad day, and I just didn't want that. So I moved everything to like break even early.
Protect your psychology. Protect my psychology. Protect. Yeah, I had to stop trading indices for the what's it called? For the challenge, man. I had to just.
You have to stop what?
No, I had to stop trading indices for the challenge. I had to lock in on gold and GJ.
Oh, so you even started trading indices?
Yeah, I was taking some NAS. The funny thing is, I did relatively well in terms of. I think at worst I was like 50 break even on the indices. At worst. Yeah, I think the indices are pretty. They're more straightforward than I thought. I thought you need to, I thought it was. You need to focus a lot more on fundamentals or something, but just based off technicals is still.
You can still run. The technical works so well on them.
Yeah.
Because in nature, it's more technical than other pairs.
Protect my family. Blessings, they follow me.
So have you taken any trades?
Nah, man.
All right.
You mean today?
Yeah, I mean, well, on stream, I I mean,
Like today?
no, on stream specifically.
Yeah, but you mean today specifically?
No,
Like today,
have you
like today
taken
on
any
stream?
trades on stream today?
Oh
Yes, on
yes, no, no,
stream.
no, 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 no. I don't trade before. Well, I used to try and wake up for London session, but that has been a long thing lately. Sometimes I'll just wake up. I'll wake up like 3 a.m. or something on the bless. I wake up like 2:30 or 3 or something. I'll just look at my phone real quick. If we haven't broken out of any level, I'll just off phone, go back to sleep. I say, I'm not waking up and looking at my screen for nothing.
I'm gonna mute myself for quite a bit.
Mute yourself, no. Oh yeah, we just passed 10 subscribers, guys. Come on, we got a W. We got a W in the chat. 10 subscribers, man. That's a small bus. Yeah, man. That's a small bus. Come on, what we saying? Yeah, we saw some good growth in March, for real. Well, growth from zero is anything from zero would have been growth. So hey. Protect my family, blessings they follow me. Baba, God bless my family, blessings they follow me. %, huh? Current swipe away ratio, whatever that's called, for the shorts is 30 to 70%. So how do I get that up? How do I get that up with the shorts? I mean, it helps when you're, I mean, it does make sense, right? Because I mean, Forex is one of those things where it's, no one's just gonna sit there and watch a Forex short, right? That's of just someone random, right? Especially with the fact that there are, scammers within that, within the world of Forex, right? So no one's just gonna sit there and watch a short off a random dude. Probably I'll run some strategy over the weekend in terms of, how we can increase our reach, so to speak. Nice, nice, nice. We thank God though. All right. Okay, so we're approaching the 30-minute close here. Let's see what's happening on gold as well. Yeah, so gold just playing within this range right now, right? Gold just playing. I like that we've basically tested the majority of this range. Yeah, so 30 closed. We closed above this level, then we started coming back down. Are we gonna close back below again? Let's see. All right, 820 brought in a little bit of volume. Okay, so there goes the flip of the 4 hour on GJ. There goes the flip of the 4. Okay, so now what do we do from here? That is the question. That is the question. And that's a fake out. Okay. Okay. Fake out below this level as well. Okay, so things get interesting now. Things get interesting. I mean, 4 hour. Oh yeah. 4 hour has flipped. We do have a little bit of a bottom wick there. This is a top. This is a top wick for drive for price to continue going down. Okay. Please respect. If it respects there, oh yeah, we broke below. So now I have to use brain cells. Okay, so let me see here. Let me see. Yo, it's some Arabian Nights type music, bro. I fuck with it heavy. Come on. Okay, so okay, so that's the hourly looking like this. But we did close bullish. Looks this could be a bottom wick. Come back up if this flipped, but that's the 30 closing. Bearish though. Cool. So yeah, so two things can happen here. This is the beautiful. Oh yeah, this is the beauty of the forex markets. Two things that are very opposite from each other can happen here. So in terms of the sells here, right? In terms of the sells, I understand the 4 hours coming down here, flipping, right? If we flip bearish here, we could continue to drive down, but it's not necessarily. I mean, we might not, right? Necessarily, right? We might not necessarily do that, right? But because yeah, we have tapped into levels where we've driven down from before, right? But that's not something that must happen, right? So you need confirmations really before you continue taking the sales going down. The 30-minute close below, I'm understanding that as well. So now we flipped. You could just drive down here, right, to say 190.35 minimum. But what I would have liked is a top wick to this level. If we end up coming back up here, creating a top wick to this level, if we flip on the same 15-minute candle, right, if we flip on this same 15-minute candle after creating this top wick back into these areas here, yeah, I'll take a sell going down. But for now I don't really have much, or I don't have any positions yet, right? Because we could just come down and then reject off of here. I would prefer to have something that runs, right? I would prefer, if I know my move is limited, then what's the point of even getting in, right? Because then I'll probably just get stopped out, break even. So there's really no point. I mean, how many pips is this? I mean, it's a fair amount of pips, but yeah, you really want to tap into this level to confirm the drive down, because this hourly closer did close above the level, right? And this hour is still open, so we could flip up at any time here. And to be honest, if we flip up, if we have one 15-minute candle closure bullish, so say this 15-minute, so like I said, two very different things could happen here. What I'm looking at here is a top wick to this level and a drive down, right? That's option number one, right? Option number two here, right? Option number two here is this whole hourly candle just flips, right? So we just have this whole hourly candle just flip, right? I mean, on the 15, actually. Let me do them both on the 15, right? Option number two here is we come up here, we close above, right? We close above here, boom, boom. This is option number two, right? So we're playing the same levels in two very different ways, right? We're playing the same levels in two very different ways. So yeah, those two things could happen, or one of those two things could happen, rather, right? One of those two things could happen. Right? I mean, hey, call it the dichotomy of the charts, right? Because it's the same levels, right? We're considering the exact same levels, but depending on how price forms, one of these two things could happen off of the same levels. We could come up here, retest into this level and continue our drive up, or we could come up here, create the top wick for this candle, reject, and continue to drive down, right? So it just depends on what happens. It just depends on how price forms. It just depends on how price forms. But you don't want to rush into anything. You don't want to FOMO into anything. You want confirmed moves only. Confirm the moves only. Yeah, I'm not. See gold. Show gold some love. Here, nah, nothing on gold. Yeah. Man, I said I wanted an early move, but I mean, we have news at 10. So I might stay here till 10. Because I would like to, if I'm gonna hit the extension goal, I would like to do that on stream. Yeah. Like when I saved the account, oh my goodness, I wish I did that on stream. I wish I did that on stream. I don't know why I didn't record that. Yeah, actually. Yeah, I was bugging. I wasn't making shorts back then, so. Because when I tell you I had to, I mean, to be honest, they were probably some of the easiest trades I've ever taken, because it's ride or die at that point, right? It's do or die, right? Because, I mean, I would have either lost the account or saved the account, right? So I just risked everything, and hey, it was a good trade that played out, all right? it actually required less brain cells, because I mean, I didn't really need to worry about, you know, moving my stop loss and all that, because I just left my stop loss where it was, because if we don't hit TP, we losing the account anyways, so might as well just keep that stop loss open. Wow, 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 wow. Hey. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, so gold retesting the bottom of this range here. Early 4 hour. Yeah, looks like the 4 hour is gonna close bearish, probably. Most likely. Sensational. Anybody watch the Bob Marley movie? I'd say anybody, but nobody here. Yes, I did watch the book. I'm about to start talking to myself in chat. Take my pain away. Yeah, you take my pain away. Yeah, you take my pain away. What can I say? Hey, yeah, you take my pain away. Take my pain away. You were born in May, so you take my pain away. You know, y'all just gotta consider yourselves lucky, to be honest, because if I mean, I could really be Drake right now. Like, I could be that, you know. Like, I have musical gifts, musical talents, you know, but I was just like, you know what, the people need me to trade, so I was like, okay, I'm gonna trade, you know. I'm a man of the people, right? Because I really could be, you know, your favorite artist, for real. I'm really like that in the studio. I know we have we have the Traders League. What is it? The Boxing League? Or are they only on Instagram? What is this? Yeah, I think they're only on Instagram. They're only on Instagram. Yeah, there's a whole Traders Boxing League. They're trying to get on the YouTube boxing hype. The hype, I won't say hype. Hype pretty much dead at this point. Well, Jake is keeping it alive though, so respect to him. Hey, say what you want about them Paul brothers. They know how to capitalize on an opportunity. Sure. I give more props in that regard to Jake than Logan, because, you know, that boy be scamming people. Man, Logan be scamming everybody. Okay, so 15-minute about to close here. So things are looking like it's gonna be an hourly close minimum. All right. Because I mean, even if we come up here and we tap into this level, at this point, I mean, yeah, because I mean, the 30 is still open, right? So yeah, I'll still consider it, to be honest. I'll still consider it, but it becomes Yeah, it becomes a lot harder to take, especially with this 15. If this 15 closes bullish, right, which it most probably will. I mean, if it's a strong rejection, right? So as we're coming up here, if we tap into this level and it's a strong rejection, and we close back below here, below this level, without driving, I mean, yeah, I'd consider it. Or would I? Let me see. What's this level? This is the 15, right? Okay, this is the 15. So what is this on the 30 though? Actually, yeah, I prefer this level. Yeah, I like this level better. I like this level better. Yeah, so I mean, yeah. So if we could tap into that level, come down, you know, close below on this 15 and this last 2 minutes here, yeah, I'll take a sell. Probably off rip too.
You still there?
Yeah, man.
How far?
Well, go on.
Any entries?
Not yet. Oh, yeah, just chilling.
Oh, okay.
Just talking to myself.
Okay. Oh, for fuck's sake.
Oh, fuck's sake. What happened?
Bro.
Oh, yeah, that
Look at all the
Nas.
US indices right
That
now.
Nas dropping like it's hot.
Like all three of them. US 30 and US 100 too.
Yeah.
Man.
Did you have entries?
Bro, yeah, I entered. The only thing is I was stopped in profit. That's the only thing. Like, you know.
No, I mean, like, did you have entries that you missed?
No, I took my entries. I just got stopped in profit like long before I could hit TP. Like, you know, when I say stopped in profit, I mean like, let's say 50 cents, $1, something like that.
Gotcha.
Like, you know,
break even.
Just yeah, just a bit above break even. Because I didn't have a signal to exit at all. It was going straight down. I just wanted to be safe.
That's why you stick to your plan, bro.
Yeah, I know. It was the safe route, but man, it still hurts, fam. It still hurts.
Yeah, man, this is dropping. Oof, look at that. Ugh.
Where did I cite? Let me even see where I cited NAS. I was in NAS sells at let's see, it's 1540 now.
Yeah, man. If I was taking this, my soonest.
I was in sales 2 hours and 40 minutes ago on NAS.
Shit. Yeah, man. Like if I was in this, like my soonest TP is. I mean, technically, my soonest TP has been hit already, but.
Yeah, no, my first take profit had been hit like a long ass time ago on all of them.
Yeah, on Nas mine would be like 18,180, and then full TPs would be around 18,120.
Okay. Okay, there should be a move like this tomorrow because bro, I am peeved to say the least.
Or they're gonna be moves every day. Yeah, so this 15 never came up to tap, right? So yeah, we're waiting for an hourly closer here minimum. So let's see what happens. As for gold, we're just dancing inside this range right now. Yeah, I might as well just move this down here.
That's
Yep. That's what we doing. We waiting. I said we watching and we waiting. What cartoon was that from? So. There you go. I just unlocked the core memory.
Yeah, GJ is doing nonsense right now. I wait.
Yes, nah.
Like it's in the buy zone, but right now it's bearish.
Yeah, it could go either way right now, to be honest.
I'm looking at gold, just below the buy zone, but bearish right now as well. Yeah, it might do enough. Has news hit?
Nah, news is at 10.
That's let me open my FX book.
Losing 10. Losing about an hour.
Oh, you have time.
Yeah,
I don't know why. I just feel like it's not going to do anything. I just have a gut feeling.
I'd have liked to.
Although that Fed Bowman speech might actually might do something, because there's a lot of other news accompanying it.
We'll see. I would have liked to be out of here early, but it is what it is. I think there's only one stream where I've had a trade before 9.
Interesting.
Yes, it's about that time. It's about that time now. So now I'm gonna start switching up my levels here because the way price is forming. Hello. We them boys. Actually. Okay. Yeah, so we're just waiting right now. We're just waiting. Let's see what happens. Such a
lovely mood. Man, you know what?
Actually,
I need to
let's see tomorrow. What's happening tomorrow? So yeah, tomorrow you should be good for news. Oh, sorry, for volume. I mean, we got unemployment. Oh no, we got employment change. We got 8:15. We got about 3 news events tomorrow. We got 3 news events. You got some speeches as well, but I'd advise staying out of the speeches. Unless you have a plan for it.
Oh, and there's the Powell speech as well. Oh, okay. I might just avoid US altogether. I'll just stick to German 14. Maybe I'll get back on UK as well. Then the others, yeah. I'll do just that.
Oh boy.
Yeah, let me actually check the Fiverr's calendar. Let me see what they consider news.
What's the percent target on Fiverr?
8 and then 5.
Okay. I don't reach like you, so I had to get the one with 10%.
Bro, you know Fiverr's their unlimited is literally cheaper than FundedNext. It's the cheapest one on the market.
That's cap.
At least the lowest entry. Yes, it's $39.
Yeah, FundedNext is also 39, no? No free promo, but let me see.
Yeah, but that is technically not, because that's for the that one is limited now. You know what? Let me even check.
No,
I know there's a reason. I didn't go with FundedNext.
Oh yeah, you're right. This shit's 69, dog.
Let me check evaluation. Every prop related video, I swear I see them.
Yeah, nice.
Okay, yeah, 49 for this one, and
yeah, it's 659, bro.
54. I could have sworn.
No, it's 59. No. The unlimited is 59. The unlimited is the Stella challenge.
Evaluation and Express. Which one is?
Stella is the Stella is that's the unlimited.
Oh, okay.
So that's 59.
What they call it? Like I'm on. Okay, here it is. So Stella is what we're used to, right? Where you have one. You know what? Let me check it.
Stella is unlimited. Evaluation is timed, so that's why Stella is $59 and evaluation is $49. Word, crazy. I knew there's a reason why I didn't get the unlimited. I knew there was a reason.
There's a okay. So let me look for the absolute lowest.
Highway robbery. I mean, hey, if they're good, so far I haven't heard too like bad things about FundedNext, but I ain't hear bad things about MFF either until I did. So
Exactly. Okay, yeah. So right, I was right. So Fibers is literally the cheapest right now that I'm
yeah,
aware of.
yeah, you're right.
Actually, while we're on stream, let me do something interesting. Let me check. What was the company that went under True Funded or what?
The funded trader.
Let me check their Trust Pilot. Okay, I'm pretty sure it was a lot higher. I think it was 4 overall, but right now it's sitting at 3.9, and 76% of the reviews are 5-star. Even right now, there are a few bad reviews here and there, but these ones are more recent, so you can tell it's after the drama. But prior to this week, most reviews have been very good. Yeah, all the bad reviews are recent. If you look at just reviews in general, or the ones that people deemed most relevant. Oh my god, this guy had $11,000 pending. Can you hear me? Or
Yeah,
am I muted?
yeah, there.
Yeah, I was just looking through. Like I said, most of them were high, and what again now? Um, but what's it called? All the recent ones are pretty much, giving them 1 stars. Like this one guy in particular had $11,000 pending in payouts.
Damn. Yeah,
11,700.
that's war. That's war.
Ah, nah, man. Like the
That
man,
is
the
war.
nigga just hire a lawyer for that one.
At this
But
point, if you are trading props, you have to have an abundance mindset. Because if anything, if Kasala boss guy, once you see you have like say you have like 50k pending now, boy, that thing will drive you mad.
yeah,
You get driven mad, bro. Cause
but like we discussed earlier, uh, don't go for. To be honest, I don't. You can't trust any new prop out there for new viewers. Anything that's new, anything that opened after MFF, you just can't. There
yeah,
maybe the other props are trustworthy, and it's unfortunate that this thing is happening because people don't trust them right now. But like more FTMO and the Fibers, they're the only ones. I checked their Trust Pilot right now; they're both 4.8, which is a great, excellent on
what's
Trust Pilot.
FundedNext trust as well?
Uh, okay, there's great, excellent. Okay, it's actually excellent. I think if you have 4.5 and up, they give you an excellent
It's
rating.
what?
Yeah, so it's 4.6 overall out of 5.
That's FundedNext.
Yeah, and 84% of the reviews are 5-star, but
Nice.
which is nice again. Like I hope. Oh my god, I manually
There
I
you go.
manually closed my buy orders and it got filled almost 2 pips away from price. Don't give me the spread excuse since closing a buy order get executed at ask price. So no spreads involved and slippage is impossible since even the next full candle is fully on top of it. I demand an explanation and you guys said the market's unpredictable. Well done, FundedNext. I just read the most recent one, but most of them are very good.
Mad. Yeah, man. I mean, so far I don't like even yesterday. The only reason I was quote unquote panicked, right, is just because of the recent news, things that have been going around with the props, right? But yeah, outside of that, I haven't really ever had problems with. I mean, I guess during the challenge phases, you don't have
Exactly.
you
That's
probably
the
want.
thing. You have a lot less. Because one
Yeah,
thing I've noticed with a lot of these reviews is that the problems come in after you get funded.
Yeah, man. Because I mean, the major problem is lack of payouts, right? So you need to actually be funded to get payouts, right? So yeah, which is also good that I'm streaming a lot of this, right? Because I mean,
exactly.
it's
You
evidence,
see the
bro.
nonsense live.
It's literally evidence. Like yesterday, like if there was some fuckery that was gonna go down yesterday, that would have been straight on live. Or I would have chopped up that video and ran with it. I'd have made like 10 different videos off of that, man. Can I FundedNext scam? Hey, I don't recommend it to anybody. I can't recommend it until I get funded. But if they're good to me, why not, right? I'll give them some free promo if they're good to me. The only reason I'm even saying their name is because I mean I show I show my dashboard every day, so even if I didn't say it, you guys would see it. So it don't really matter. Okay, all right. We're approaching a close here, right? Let's see. Can we get something here? Can we be 2 for 0 for the month? I did predict 31 or 30 and 0 for the month. That is my prediction. We going 30 and 0. Trust me. I can sense it. Yo, am I on loudspeaker or something?
You're on my laptop.
Yeah, like.
Which is I'm not using earphones, but no one else is home.
Yo, can you use headphones, man? I can hear myself.
That's odd. Wait, but how though? Because I'm not streaming.
Nah, cause like if the sound is, you know, if it's echoing outwards, yeah, if it's echoing outwards, if my audio is echoing outwards, your speaker is also picking up that sound, innit? Oh, sorry, not your speaker, your mic.
Oh, that's crazy. Hold on, let me try something. Okay, say something now.
Something now. Yeah, I'm still hearing it.
That's crazy.
Like it's not like crazy crazy, you get, it's not like crazy loud, but it'll pick up on the video though.
Okay, how about now?
How about now? Yeah, that's good.
Yeah, I increased the sensitivity of my mic before because I don't think you were hearing me, so maybe that's why.
Yeah, probably.
Like it got so sensitive, it started picking up its own.
Yeah, probably. Okay, so we have an hourly closer. Let me take a look at gold real quick. So that's the 4-hour close. So 4-hour close bearish on gold, right? So like we said, most times when we test an all-time high, we see a little bit of a pullback, right? Or a good bit of a pullback. So I mean, I would be anticipating some sells here, right? And we are at a level 2 sell, right? We are at a level 2 sell because we've driven down heavy from this level in the past, right? But looking at the hourly, right? Looking at the hourly, we are still respecting here, I guess, right? We are still respecting that level there on the hour. Okay, so let me see, draw this up right here. And so I'm gonna be looking for a closer below here. For sells, I'm gonna be looking for a closer below 22.56, right? At least a 15-minute close, but we'll see. I don't really want to play anything inside this range though. I don't want to play anything inside this range right here. Yeah, that's so this is a no-go for me right now, but we'll see. We'll see how price forms. I might just be, my levels might be, you know, I might be overlooking something, but right now, yeah, right now I don't have much Yeah, you either need a closer below 22.56 or a closer above 22.65. Yeah. Let me see. Let me check out GJ. So GJ closed bearish, right? So that's good. So 4-hour closed bearish as well. We've created that fat top wick. Okay, so we're below everything. Are we? Are we below everything? It looks like we are, huh? But we haven't really made much of a top wick though. But do we need a top wick is the question now, isn't it? 15. So 15 closed below. Let me see this 30. Okay. Hey, this is interesting.
Tell me why Blastoise is using attack weight.
Lol. This is interesting here. Let me see. So this is a 30.
Okay,
Okay.
I'm gonna mute myself for a bit, but I'll still be here.
All right, no one. Okay, so so let me see. Sorry. Sorry about that. Okay, so let's see. Yeah, there are a lot of, yeah, depending on what time frame you're looking at and where you're deciding to draw this level here. Do have a lot of rejection off this level though, right? Yeah, you have a lot of rejection of this level. You got 1 rejection, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 to the downside as well. Okay. And you had the 4-hour close bearish. How did you close bearish? Is this below this level? No, you respected that level, and we've driven up from this level. Okay, so we're in a weird place. We're sort of in a weird place on GJ. We're in a weird place on GJ, right? Because I mean, your daily is saying sells, right? Because you did have this bearish closure. It looks like you just came up to create a top wick. You could flip at any time and drive down. Your 4-hour closed bearish, but you're sort of at this level where you've driven up from before, right? You sort of close respecting, right? You close respecting this level where you've driven up from before, but you tapped into a level where you've driven down from before, right? And closed bearish off that level. So interesting. This is reminiscent of the move from yesterday, you know, right? You just sort of had a wick. You just sort of almost a fake out, right? Oh, this is a fake out, isn't it? This is a fake out, isn't it? This is a fake out. 15. Let's see how this first 15-minute closes here. Yeah, let's see how this first 15-minute closes. Okay, so now we sort of, I mean, we have a top wick on this 4-hour now, right? Not the greatest top wick, but I mean, if we tapped into a level and we rejected here, would I be expecting much of a top wick? Not really. Not really. Let me know if the music is too loud. Oh, let me see. So first thing we did close. Yeah, let's wait for a 15-minute closer. Let's wait for a 15-minute close. I don't really have entries quite yet, but we did have a fake out. Could we get a 1-minute entry today? Maybe, but we need to start consolidating though. If we're gonna get a minute entry, we need to start consolidating on the minute. We need to start doing a lot of this. Yeah, we could drive here. We really could drive here. So 5 minute has closed. 15:30. Yeah, it's a weird little area to be in. It's a weird little level to be in. Hold up, let me just see some. Okay, so daily we're rejecting. 4 hour did this. Hourly 30. Okay, so we're dropping here. We are dropping here. I mean, if you got FOMO, I mean, look away from the charts, right? Because we could drop. We could just drive down here. We could just drive all the way down here. Have no entries quite yet, though. I need this 15 minute to close. I need this 15 minute to close. Yeah. Yeah, we have driven off. Yeah. Yeah, cool. Yeah, I need this 15 minute to close. Once this 15 minute closes, if we get a top wick, where is it? Yeah, once this 15 minute closes, I'm gonna look for a top wick, tap into this level here, and then continue to drive down. But we could, hey, it's very possible we just start melting here, guys. So keep that in mind. If you have a position, if you have some sell positions, I'd say, I mean, I would give you my seal of approval, but for now, yeah. Yeah, if this could pull back, if this 15 minute could pull back here, yeah, man, we might just be gone, bro. We might just be gone. Yeah, if this 15 minute could pull back here, in the final minutes, this final 5 minutes, if we could pull back, close with a good bottom wick here, once the new 15 minute candle opens, I just need a little bit of a top wick to tap into this level. 190.46, right? But we could just drive here. Yeah, we could just drive here. Yeah, maybe I missed something here, but I don't know. Maybe I missed something, but I don't know. Okay, we're going down. I would prefer to take the trade inside this range, because we could come down here and close below here. But then what's the probability we're coming up for a top wick to these areas? Very low. Very, very low. And why do I have that area? Because I mean, look how many times we've rejected off that level. To either go bottom or either go down or go up, right? So it's a very strong level. Very strong. I'm actually just gonna put this as a range here. Right, so yeah, once we tap into that level, we close bearish on the 15 here, tap into that level, we should be good to drive down. Yeah, every 4 hour filling, it's breaking the lows again. Yeah, you should see that drive down, to be honest. You should see that drive down. What is this level? Yeah, pretty much the same. Yeah, because this is my vantage point, right? So this would be break even. So 190.34 would be break even. So you want this candle to pull back, right? If we can pull back, close somewhere around here, right? Once we get that, you know, that top wick, right? Because I mean, we're so close to this level now, right? So once we get that top wick, we're not waiting for much, right? We get that top wick, boom, we take our sales going down, right? And that's about, you know, you have a good 9 pip vantage point at that level. Yeah, I wouldn't. Yeah, that's the issue. All right, because if we close like this, you would need a wick entry basically to have a good vantage point. But let me see. Okay, is gold doing anything interesting? Not really. Not yet. Not yet. Anyways. Not yet. Anyways. Not yet. Anyway. So I'm gonna lock in on GJ for a little bit here. Yeah. Let me see. So I would prefer if we could close. Yeah, if we could close somewhere around here. All right. We already tapped that level. We shouldn't be breaking those highs again. If we're gonna drive here, we shouldn't be breaking those highs. So hourly. Let's see, what's the 4-hour level? 4-hour, that'll be the daily flipping. I mean, the whole daily could flip, but you never know. Okay, so let's see. Damn, yeah. If we're gonna take this trade, it might be a wick entry, guys. It might be a wick entry. It might be a wick entry. If it's a wick entry, it's gonna be partial risk though. Let me see the minute. Yeah, nah. This isn't a minute entry. So I don't have any entries on the minute either. Yeah, let's see. So we have a minute left here. Let's see what we do for this minute. If we can ride up for this for this last minute, that would be nice. That would be nice. That would be nice. Let me just get ready here. Let's see, GJ. I am looking to take some sales on GJ. See, 90.423. Oh yeah, that's a beautiful formation right now. Yeah, we can just ride up a little bit more. Right. Okay, so damn. Yeah, that's okay. So if we can come up and tap into our levels here, we can come up, tap into 190.4445. I'll have a sell stop on the flip of this 15. Yeah, so we're not in yet. We're not in yet. Okay, there goes your flip. Okay. Looks like we're gone. Looks like we might be gone here, guys. Yeah, no, I'm gonna wait. I am going to wait. Yeah, that's the 4-hour flip. You should see a push down. Yeah, you're gonna see a push down
you
here.
entered the trade?
No. Not yet.
Hold on.
Yeah. Ooh, you're gonna see a push down here. Right, and like I said, right, it's not that I'm hesitating, right? It's not hesitation when you have a specific plan in mind, right? There's a specific plan I have in mind, and the conditions have not been met, so to speak. I want to tap into this level. If this 5, I mean, there's still possibilities here, right? If this 5 comes up, taps in to the level, you know, closes bullish, the next 5 creates a top wick first, I'll probably have a sell stop at the lows of the 5. When is news? 10, right? Yeah, so we have time till news. Gold not doing much. GJ, come on, GJ. So we've had this consolidation form on the minute, but it's not really, yeah, I wouldn't say this is a minute entry though. It could be. What is that? Something keeps popping up on my screen. How's that? That's weird. Wait, not in yet. Not in yet. Not in yet. Yo, I like this Arabian Nights ass music, dog. Arabian Night. Nothing on gold. Nothing. Ah, yeah. So I mean, no entries, man. No entries. And if we tap into this level, I mean, another way we could take this entry is a 30-minute close, right? If we have a 30-minute close below 190.336, that's another way you could play this. So I mean, well, go on. So you don't really need to stress too much, unless you already had positions, right? Then yeah, you should be taking your positions, but I got nothing here. I got nothing right now. We are coming down here though, so that's another 5-minute close bearish. Yeah, you could just keep on driving down, but yeah, nah, I need to tap in. I need to tap into this 190.44 area. So I mean, entries before 30-minute close here, you only have one opportunities for that right now, right? If this 5-minute comes up here, closes bullish, right, the new 5-minute continues to push up to 190.44 with no bottom wick, I'd take the flip. To be honest, I might just take the wick entry. Oh, no, I wouldn't. I wouldn't take the wick entry, because then your 15-minute might close, or it's about to close rather, right? So anything can still happen on the 15, right? You could just keep on pushing up. So I'll wait for the flip, and then I'll take that. So yeah, let's see. But we are flipping up here, right? And like I said, this is why we didn't take the trade, right? Because if we understand our range is limited here, right, you want the best vantage point. That's why we wanted to close closer to here, because I mean, if we took this trade, we're already out break even. We've already moved our stops to break even right here. As soon as we tap into this level or close to this level, I've already moved my stops to break even. So I mean, what's the point, right? At that point, what's the point? So those are the things you need to consider, right? I would like to be out of here by 9:30, man. If we could get a trade right now, that would be nice.
It's like people make better trading decisions when it's public.
Oh, for bro, fam. As soon as I started trading this March, bro, this March, like this March, bro, like has been the best trading I've ever done in my entire life, bro. I'm literally like, like 7. I'm like on 6-7 win streak, bro.
Nice. Like, cause it's like you know that like I know I'm not supposed to be in it, so you're not
You know what I
trying to
mean?
be
I swear. Plus, I
you
know I goes come make video after. So if I can't carry one nonsense L where I know even feel explain, you get, then it's just weird, isn't it? Yeah, man. Yeah, so I'm really bearish. 4-hour bearish. So come down here. Yeah, we tapped into this level now. Yeah, you wanna be careful here, guys, because yeah, the way price formed here is very not really the way price formed, but the levels we're currently playing around, they're very, very, very contradictory. Because I mean, now we push down, right? Now we push down. I mean, we tapped into this level and we've rejected off this level a fair bit amount of times, but the candles are bearish though. The daily close bearish below. Higher time frames are saying bearish. Even this candle closed bearish, but we technically respected this level here. Yeah, you want to be careful. Yeah, even this 5-minute entries I was looking for before, it would need to be perfect. It would need to be absolutely perfect for me to take it. And by perfect, I need this candle to push up a little bit higher. Yeah. So 8 pips here. Yeah. I would need, yeah, for this to be absolute perfection, I'm basically trying to mirror this move here to the left. So I need this candle. If this candle here could come up, close, right? Close, I mean, preferably no top wick, but hey, even if it does have a top wick, right? If it closes bullish there, the next candle closes no bottom wick or opens no bottom wick, I take the flip. But now we're rejecting. So we could, now we've tapped into this level, we could reject all the way down. We could start rejecting all the way down. Okay, so 5 seconds left for the close. Yeah, I don't think we're gonna have any minutes, any entries for the 5 minute. Let me just clean up my levels here. So first thing we did here is, okay, yo, that's so tempting. If we break those highs, oh my goodness, that is tempting. If we, man, 90.4. Oh, that's such a good top wick, man. But the close was so knocks, fam. Yeah, that's such a good top wick. Oh, yo, now we're flipping. Let's see what happens. That's such a good top wick. That's such a good top wick. Yeah, but I wanted this flip to be a lot higher up, because at this point I need to go break even right here, which is 2 pips. Yeah, it's no point. There would be no point. More highly likely I get stopped out with that. Might as well wait for the 30-minute close, right? Yeah, this is a really good top wick though for the 5. This is a really good top wick. Oh, now we have the consolidation on the minute as well. Okay. Okay. Okay, let me just clean up my levels here. Let's clean up my levels. Hold up, 5:15. Let me clean up my levels. Okay. Let's see here. Let's see. This one here. So we close below 15. 15. So that would be, then you need to consider this right here. Okay, so I've cleaned up my levels here. Let's see how we close on this 15. Okay, interesting. 30, the hourly came down, tapped into. That could flip up. That could flip up at any time though. Just the hourly 30. Levels you have going down would be here. Yeah, so that's this. Okay, so okay, cool. So now I have definitive levels here. Yeah, let's see how this 30-minute close. Let's see how this 30-minute. Oh yeah, that would be nice. So that would be the 5. Okay, so 5 flipping here. Okay, I mean, yeah, but this is still a level, no? It's 5 pips. How much is this range? Is 10 pips. Okay, yeah, let's see. I like how the candles are forming. I am a fan. 30. Where do I need that top wick? I need that top wick over there, right? Okay, so minimum this level, go break even as well. So yeah, you technically have a minute entry here because you did have a fake out on the hourly. Right, you did have a fake out on the hourly, or on the 4-hour actually. Oh well, I guess if you're considering this a level, you didn't. No. Yeah, let's not consider the minute entry. This is gonna be a 30-minute entry for me. That'll be 4. The question is now, where's that top wick gonna be? Or are we gonna just drive down here? I mean, if we just drive down, it's c'est la vie, I guess, right? C'est la vie, but because what the top wick does for you, it sort of confirms the move, right? It helps you confirm the move. Okay, so I'm not in anything yet. Let's see how this 15. If this 15 closes bullish, even better, to be honest. If the 15 closes bullish respected, even better. And the new candle opens no bottom wick. Oh, that would be beautiful. Okay, new candle open, no bottom wick. Well, just barely in it. But now, see, so that's the 30. Come on, give me a top wick. Just give me a top wick. I just need a top wick. Come on, don't drive off of that. Just give me a top wick, dog. Give me a top wick, dog. Yeah, if we get a top wick towards 190 point. Let's see, what is this level here? Yeah, 190.45 or 444. If we get a, oh, okay, that's a rejection right there. Okay, so I'm gonna have a sell stop. Hold up, I'm gonna have a sell stop. What is this? 30 minute? I'm gonna have a sell stop on the break of the 30-minute lows here. What level is this? 190.722.
Wait, you're entering a trade now?
338. Yeah. Like I'm having a sell stop. Yeah, my spreads are crazy right now.
Interesting.
So I'm gonna have a sell stop at 190.338 here.
Oh, you're selling GJ?
Yeah, sell stop anyway.
Okay, let me confirm or upper control. And this thing is, you know what? Let me not even look at this pair again. It's still dropping.
Yeah, I'm gonna have a sell stop at 190.338 here. I would have had the sells on the flip of the current 30 if we created a steeper top wick. But with this should be this would be the break of the 4-hour lows as well, right? So once we break those 4-hour lows, we should see a little bit of a push, but you need to pay attention because break even is gonna be fairly quick. I won't lie. Break even is gonna be fairly quick here. But why I don't mind break even being fairly quick is because if we're flipping on if we're breaking these 4-hour lows, you should see a push, right? You shouldn't waste time. You shouldn't really waste time around these areas, right? That's the difference between this move happening now and when it was happening before, right? Because now you've had this closure below. You've had the closure below. This would be, you've made a top wick. This would be the 4-hour breaking its own lows. You should see there should be momentum with that break of the lows. There should be some momentum there. But we are in this trade. I mean, I'm gonna extend TPs, of course, but for now we have, this would be TP1 right here. All right, that would be TP1 right there. All right, see the weekly, that's the daily. Yeah, so not in yet. Not in yet. Not in yet. If we create a steeper top wick here, let me see, 190.4. Where did I have that low? 90.4. Yeah, if we wick into 190.44 here, I'll look on the 5 to see if I can get, yeah, let's see how this 5 opens. We might push our entries a little bit higher. Yeah, let's see. Okay, so we close how we, or we open how we open, close how we closed, open how we opened. Let's see. Okay. Oof, I don't like that. Ooh, I'm not a fan of that, to be honest. Yeah, I'm not a fan of that 5. Not a fan of the 5. But I mean, I'm still looking at the 15-minute candle, right? Yeah, I'm not a fan of the 5-minute, the way the 5-minute open here. But yeah, I am still looking at the 15-minute candle though. So yeah, the higher time frame is still confirming the move. So let's see. I'm just putting my stop loss and all that right now. See, stop loss. Yeah, ideally you want this to play out before before this 15-minute candle closes, right? You want to just drive off of this 15. The sooner the move, the better. The sooner the move, the better. I mean, we're hesitating here, right? But now this 5-minute is coming up here to grab a top wick. So if we end up being activated off of this 5 now, it's a higher chance that we drive down, right? So we'll see. Okay, cool. So okay, so we're approaching the last 5 minutes of this 15. Let's see how, if we close bearish. Oh, I'm not recording, am I? Hold up, let me see. Yeah, I should record. Yeah, so we have our sell stops at the bottom of these lows, right? We got sell stops in at the bottom of the lows. Let's see, sell stops. Yeah, we got sell stops at the break of the lows. Sell stops at the break of the lows. And that should also be, that would be a fill of the 4-hour lows as well. So am I in that trade? Let me see. Not yet. I'm still not in this trade. Still not in the trade. But now that this 5 minute has formed a top wick, right? Can we see a straight pull to the downside? So now that's the 4-hour. The 4-hour has taken out those lows multiple times and hasn't driven. So once it takes out that low proper, we should drive. We should just drive. And am I in? Not yet. Not in quite yet. 5 minute about to close though. Yeah, I mean, a 5 minute closer below here, that's just another added confluence. That would just be another added confluence. So let's see. 5:15. And trust me, put in your sell stops and your buy stops. Say one or two pips off of, you know, off of the lows or the highs. It'll save you a lot of headache sitting through drawdown. Trust me. Okay, so I mean, this closure is not, I mean, it's not bad, right? It's not the worst closure, right? Of course you would have wanted to drive, you know, a long time ago, but it's not the worst closer. Now I tell you what though, if we come all the way up here on this 5, if we come all the way up to 190.45, I'll move my sell stops to the flip of the 5. Yeah. 30. I mean, I'm basically here until the hour, right? Until say like 5 minutes before the hourly close. If I'm not activated, I'll close because we have news at 10. Yeah. Oh man, my back. Yeah, we got news at 10. So even if this 15-minute closes, right? As long as we don't close above this level, I'll still have my sell stops in. Yeah, gold going up here though. Gold going up. A little push here. 15.30. Ooh, if gold closes above on the 15, so I'm gonna pay attention to gold as well for this 15 close. If gold closes up above that level on the 15-minute, we might be able to see something. Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. This is why I'm hot. Okay. Okay, so we came up here, tapped into that level again. All right, now we've tapped into that level again. Let's see, can we flip and drive? Can we flip and drive? I would move my entry up here, but we didn't create a high enough, a large enough top wick for me to be comfortable doing that. Yeah, if this 15-minute closes, as long as we close below, right, as long as we close below the level, we'll be good. As long as we close below the level, we'll be good. At that point, what I'll be looking to happen is the new 15 come up, right, break these highs. Depending on where it taps into, I might move my sell stops a little higher depending on where it taps into. I mean, if it taps into 190.45, I'll move my stop loss to the, so not my stop loss, my sell stops. I'll move them to the break of the new 15, low, right? To continue to move down, which is a better vantage point for me, right? Because then that gives me about a, what is that? About a 8 pip vantage point. Yeah. 5 minutes. Yeah, so 5 minutes about it's a lot of consolidation on a minute. Yeah. Once you start seeing all of this consolidating on a minute, you want to pay attention. Something's coming. Something is coming. Okay, so this 15 is about to close here. Pay very close attention. Cool. Okay, so we tapped into that level here. Can we flip? I might just move. Okay, no, I'm not gonna move anything yet. Yeah, you want to close below here though. You really want to close below. Yeah, I don't think we're gonna close below. Okay, so now we've tapped into 190.45. What's gonna happen from this level? You really want to close below. You want to close below 190.41. Because the thing is, if you close above like this, you could come down and find support right there. Yeah, because that's a 15-minute closer as well. Okay, guys, I'm gonna delete the sell stops. Yeah, so I just deleted the sell stops. I'm gonna delete those sell stops. Yeah, it looks like we're gonna wait for the hourly here. Let me see, how did gold close? So yeah, we're waiting on the hourly on gold. GJ. Yeah, we're gonna have to wait. Here. Because I understand this 30-minute is still open, right? So we could flip at any time, right? We could flip at any point here and drive down. But yeah, nah. Yeah, with this 15-minute closure above, we need to wait. If we can get a tap into here, right? Wait for the 15, tap into here, right? If we get a closure down below, right? If news is in our favor, we can have some pretty good sales going down here, right? But we have to wait here. We have to wait because look at the hourly now. This is the hourly flip. The hourly just flipped. This could just be a bottom wick on the hourly. And if the hourly closes like this, then you're looking for buys, right? So I mean, if the hourly comes back, closes above 190.55, we're looking for buys for sure. So yeah, man. Different things going on, man. Yeah, I really wanted this to be a. How you doing, my brother? Chief Khalil, how you doing, brother? Welcome. Welcome to the stream. You're a new trader or experienced trader? Because we need as much insight as we can get over here. welcome. New trader, nice. Welcome. I would say, of course, I mean, the more people we can have in here, the better, right? But I'd say, depending on how new, I'm not sure how new of a trader you are, but the way I sort of present, I just sort of talk through my, my strategy and my analysis, right? If you ever have a question, just let me know. I'm gonna try and answer those for you. But I would say the stream right now isn't too beginner friendly, depending on how much of a beginner, right? Like, you should at the very least, if you want to get the most out of the stream, I'd say know, the certain lingo. Like, if you know the lingo, you should be good. Like price action, pullback, all of these, technical analysis lingo, you should be good. If you're wondering what strategy I use, it's just price action. But specifically, I don't know if you've heard of, I mean, not that I want to send you over to somebody else's stream, but I want to provide you, some value. So if you heard of Don Vo, he streams as well. Much more successful streamer, but yeah, pretty much I watched his streams for still a beginner. Yeah, so I'd say, I mean, at this point, if you've gone through like the demo phase, yeah, man. So I pretty much learned well, I didn't learn price action from him, but I think that's where I became, at the very least, his streams elevated me to the level of, I would say, at the very least, a break-even trader, right? I can't really call myself a profitable trader yet, but we have been doing pretty good though, so for whatever that's worth. Yeah, I'd say most important thing first is to get your strategy right. Then you start building your edge, right? And that's gonna include the way you want to manage risk, the way you want to close trades, the way you want to take profit, all of those things. But just know, trading is a long game, man. It's a long game. You will see some losses, that's inevitable, but it's all part of the game, brother. You gotta stick with it. Okay, so yeah, this is why we didn't really take, we need to wait for the hourly closure. There's too many conflicting messages right now. And we have news at 10. Yeah, we have news at 10. So if I don't get a position off of news, like 5 minutes after news, I'll probably hop off stream. I really wanted to take, so yeah, if you don't know, I'm doing a funded challenge, right? I'm currently doing a prop firm funded challenge, and it is a limited time challenge, right? So the end of the challenge is gonna be Friday, right? So end of the week, I have till the end of the week to get pretty much 5% more on the account, so that's about $300, right? But if I can get 5%, which I'm very close to right now, which I'm currently at 4.47%. If I can get 5%, I can get a 14-day extension by today. So if I'm able to take a trade here today, to get me to the 5% mark, or to the 5% mark, then I will be able to, get the 14-day extension, and then we can keep our profits. But regardless, even at the end of the week, if we haven't hit, the target, the 10% target, we get a free retry as long as we're in profit, right? So we're good either way. We're good either way. It's a long game. We're here for the long game. Appreciate you, my brother, and I hope you get whatever goal you have set, you know, whether it's getting better at trading or, you know, whatever it is, man. I hope you reach all your goals, but only if you like and subscribe though. If you don't, then hey, I hope all your good. I'm playing. All right. Okay, so GJ, so we did reject, right? We did reject on GJ. Okay. Appreciate you, man. Appreciate you. We're live every day, bro. Monday to Friday, 7:30 a.m. Eastern, 12:30 p.m. West African time, in case you're in that part of the world. Okay, so you see that rejection right there. So this is good. This is good. 190.45. Yeah, so it tapped into this level perfectly. So this is the level I was looking at, right? Now, if we didn't have news at 10, yeah, if we didn't have news at 10, I might actually take these sells if we didn't have news at 10. Because this is the level we were looking at before. I understand we closed bullish on the 15, but as soon as this 5 closes, right, if we didn't have news at 10, I'm definitely not gonna take this. But if we didn't have news at 10, as soon as this 5 closed, if we closed bearish like this, I'd probably have a sell stop at the bottom. Because now at this point, if we're gonna break these 4-hour lows again, I really don't see a reason why we wouldn't just drive down. Yeah, I don't see a reason why we wouldn't just drive down to fill this range, or what remains of the range anyways. But you have to take everything into consideration though. Everything, gotta take it into consideration. So for now, we're gonna stay out of it. Yeah, I really hope we can get a trade here. If we can get one for Chief Khalil over here, yeah, I mean, new subscriber, hey, we can get one and then extend on stream as well. Get the 14-day extension on stream. That would be nice. That would be nice. Okay, so gold closed above on the 5. Look, okay, yeah, this formation on the 5 is, I mean, it's saying buys, right? But 5 minutes left here for the hourly close as well, so you want to wait. And news at 10. You want to wait. How did we close here? How did this 5 close? Yeah, so with this 5 close, if you break these lows, you really could just drive down, but I'm not too worried about it, because if news is gonna bring volume, we should still see, I mean, we should still get an opportunity to sell. We should still get some opportunities for sales. Hey, yo, let's see what happened. What part of the world you from, my brother? Yeah, bro, I just read the wildest headlines, bro. What? Yeah, I don't even think I can say this. That's crazy. Okay, so 5 minutes, 15 minutes. Yeah. If you have FOMO, look away until news passes, because you could see this melt. I would not be surprised. I would not be surprised at all. Yeah, I mean, if we close above here, I mean, if we're gonna look for buys on gold with news, it's gonna have to be on the minute, because we have no ranges up here. These are all-time highs. All right, these are all-time highs, so we're gonna have to rely on the minute, time frame. So let's see. You should when you Oh, there's about to be a solar eclipse on April 8th. Tough. April 8th. That's what, Sunday or Monday? I think that's a Monday. On my calendar, right? Yeah, April 8th. Total eclipse on a Monday. That's a way to start the week. Okay. So 10 seconds left for closures and news. Let's see what happens. Okay, so it looks like we're not gonna drive off this candle, so that's good. That's good. This is actually a very, oh, look at that volume. You saw that last second volume that kicked off? Okay, so ooh, gold close above as well. Cool. Cool. I don't see a reason why we wouldn't get an entry here. Let me see. So news came out positive. So gold should be driving down. News came out positive, so gold should be driving down. Okay. Let me see. So that's never good when news is, you always want news and, the technicals to align. That's always the best, but in this case, news, wait, let me make sure. All right, yeah, news came out positive, so yeah, we should be driving down, but looks like this is gonna hold here. Well, let me not say anything yet. Let's see. Because if this is just a top wick, especially if we take out these highs and then this 5-minute flips closes bearish below this level, I'll take the sells. I'll take those sells. Yeah, because 9:30 already passed, right? So what's GJ doing? See, what's GJ doing? So this was the GJ candle. Okay, so that's the hourly. That's how the hourly opened up. Hourly opened up, create a top wick, 30-minute, 15. Cool. So a couple ways you could take this. See the hourly. Yeah, tapped into there and then drove down, right? Okay. Yeah, if we could get a closer below 190.3, we can get this closer below 190.3. I don't even think I'd wait for a top wick. I would just sell. I wouldn't wait for much. I would just sell. Yeah, tap into that level. So that held. Okay. You could have the flip of this as well. Right. See? Okay. So you want to pay attention here. Nothing yet. Nothing quite yet. Let me see gold. What's gold doing? Yeah, gold pushing up here. Yeah, so it looks like the direction, I mean, news was different. Yeah, we pushing. Yeah, nothing I can do about that. I got no entries. Yeah, I think I'm gonna stay out of gold. I don't think I'm gonna get involved with gold quite yet. Yeah. See, it's a minute left for this closer though. Let's see how we close. If we close, we could get something forming on the 1 minute. Right? If we close on this 5, we could get something form on the 1 minute. And then we'll be able to take those. But for now, yeah, I mean, there's volume. There's definitely volume, right? We do have volume, but nothing yet to go along with the volume. Yeah, this 5 minute, if this comes back, rejects. Yeah, if this 5 minute closes below, I'm gonna have a sell stop. If this 5 minute closes below this level, I'll have a sell stop on the break of these lows. And what's the 4 hour? Yeah, I mean, if the 4 hour is gonna flip, we're fucked, right? So really don't need to go too far. Yeah, so yeah, the 5 is still pushing up. So yeah, nothing on the 5. We got nothing yet. We have volume, we just don't have direction. Yeah, we bouncing, yeah, back and forth here. Yeah, so first thing we did was create this top wick. Yeah, that's dangerous. This is dangerous. You need a pullback. You need something. You need price to come down here, retest, right? Retest, and then on the break of those highs, I'll take a buy. All right, either on the break of those highs or if this 15 minute closes. If this 15 minute closes bullish like this, I'll wait for a bottom wick and then I'll take the buys going up on the new 15, right? But right now, I mean, there's volume for sure, but there's no direction. I don't really see a direction. Yeah, I was gonna leave immediately, but I'll wait for a 15 minute close though. I'll wait for a 15 minute close because we might get something here. Because there's definitely volume. There's just no direction. Yeah. Yeah, it's annoying when there's news and then you see all that movement, you get excited, but like there's nothing really going on. And I mean, looking at this hourly, right? Hourly looks clean to just flip and drive down, right? Yeah, but with the current volume, I want volume to either die down, you know, let volume die down and let me know the move I'm taking is based purely off of, you know, technicals, price action. Especially because I mean, GJ, I don't know how the dollar is gonna affect, or the dollar news is gonna affect GJ. So I'll probably wait for a 15 minute close here. I just need 15. As soon as that 15 closes below this level, I'll have some type of entries either at the bottom of these lows either at the break of these lows or on the flip of the new 15, depending on how much of a top wick we get. But we are coming down here. We're coming down here on the 5, but 5 has no top wick, so even then you still have to wait for the 15 to close in it. Yeah, it's a lot of semantics, man. It's a lot of semantics. Yeah, we wait for a lot of boxes to get, you know, to get checked, but in the long run, in the long run, it helps us, right? It helps us stay disciplined. It helps us, take high quality trades, Yeah, let's see what this 15 does. Let's see what this 15 does. Okay, so we're pulling back here on gold. Pulling back. What's DJ doing? Yeah, we're pulling back here on gold. 30. Actually, no. I was thinking about taking a sell on the flip, but nah. Yes, I was thinking of sell on the flip of this candle. And that's the hourly flip as well. You're taking those highs out. That might not be a bad shout, to be fair. That might not be a bad shout, but I think you need to wait for like a 15-minute close bearish though. Okay. Man, all of this is interesting. This is all just interesting. Alright, coming back, we test. I mean, if this 5, if we close like this, right? This 5 tests this level and then closes bullish. Right? If we close bullish like that, yeah, then that means you have 15 close above, then you have a level up there to play with. Yeah, I think, don't quote me on this, but I think we should have a position on 15 close. Whether it's GJ or gold, I don't know. But now this GJ has come up here. We haven't quite taken out those highs, but we've gotten to those levels, right? We tapped into those levels yet again. If we don't hold support here, if this doesn't hold support, I mean, at that point, I don't see any reason we shouldn't sell. At that point, I just need a little bit of a top wick. I don't need much of a top wick, just a little bit. Cool. That being said, let me just get ready here. Okay, so 4-hour flips. I mean, to be fair, the 4-hour flips, it's fucked. Yeah, if the 4-hour flips, it's fucked. But since I'm not looking for much of a top wick, right? Even though that top wick could happen to these areas, I'm gonna have my stops up here though. Wick across. Let's see. Yeah, I'm gonna have my stops at these highs here. Yeah. So 2 minutes here, 2 minutes, 2 minutes. So I do believe, don't quote me on it, but I do believe we should have an entry here by the break of the close of this 15. Yeah. Because if you respect like this on the 5, this closes bullish, the new candle comes down, taps into this level, you could have buyers on the break of the highs towards these highs, right? You could play that. And then on GJ, GJ 5 close like that, 15 closing like this. Oh, I just hope it doesn't drive right now. I'd prefer if it doesn't drive, man. I mean, really, you have 2 ways to enter, right? Close bullish like this, we open, we get a little bit of a top wick, right? Or we close bearish below here, right? One of those 2, but nothing in between though. Let's see. I would man, I think I prefer the GJ sells to the gold buys, to be honest. But every time I've said that, every time I focus on one, it's the other one that drives, man. Crazy. On some BS. Why I'm not too keen on gold is because, I mean, we're at all-time highs here, man. Like, if we close bullish here, how would I even enter? You want me to enter on the break of the highs when I don't know where the next resistance is? Come on, right? So at that point, I'm reaching in the dark at that point. GJ actually has, you know, established levels, right? So, okay, final minute on GJ. I'm just gonna get ready here. Let's see. Okay. So GJ, I would be looking for the sells. Okay, we about to close. Wagwan. Okay, cool. There goes your 15-minute close. I need a top wick. Okay, guys, I'm gonna enter this manually. Let me see. Or, okay, since we're still coming up, so on the flip of this 15, I'm gonna take the sells. And okay, so I'm in the cells. Cool. Now let's see what happens here. I mean, I say this every time, but the quicker the move happens, the better. Right? I say it all the time, but the quicker the move happens, the more likely it is it's gonna play out, right? Well, no shit, right? But let's see here. Yeah, break even would be 30, 15 looking like. Yeah, break even would be these lows, right? 90.33. 90.33. Yeah, so break even would be around these areas here. Am I recording? I don't know. I hope I am. Okay. Three. I mean, if we reach, because I think I need how much do I need? I need 32. I need 32 for, I haven't gone break even yet. I haven't gone break even yet. I'm not really at a level to go break even. Let me see. Yeah, I don't like that we're stalling though. We're sort of stalling at this 5-minute range, or this 5-minute support, right? My fault. We're sort of stalling, right? We're stalling at this 5-minute support, which is not too good. Looks like we're respecting that support. But let's see what happens here though. Let's see what happens here. Let's see. Let's just see. I mean, in terms of managing risk, I mean, it would have to be the 30-minute close, right? So the only way I would, you know, close early or something, right? It would have to be a 30-minute close or bullish. Let's see. Okay. So I'll manage risk either off of the 5 or off tapping into 190.33. 1 sec. Okay, let's see. Stop loss. Let's see. Can we get a push here? Okay, can we get a push? If 5 minutes about to close in about 40 seconds. If we close back into that range on the 5, let's see. 20 seconds for a 5 close. Boom, boom. Let's see. Okay. 10 seconds for a 5 close. And okay, so we closed just barely below. Just barely below, right? Just barely below. So I tell you what, I'm not gonna move anything just yet. I'm not gonna move anything just yet. But as soon as we take out these lows, if we take out these lows, right? As soon as we take out these lows here, if we take out those lows, because I mean we could just start driving up here, right? But as soon as we take out those lows, I'll go break even. I won't close anything yet though. TP1 or where I would close something is 190.3. Yeah, so 190.3. 190.3 is where I'm looking at TP1. So around here. Yeah, so we're pushing up there. I mean, that could just be a top wick as well. So let's see though. Let's see. Yeah, so I mean, if we went break even right there, we would have been out of the trade already. But as long as we closed below that most recent, we held that. Okay. Can we flip here? Okay, we're flipping. Can we flip and drive? Can we flip and drive? Okay, there's the flip, but not the drive. Yeah, price been a little shy here. I don't really like how much it's stalling. Yeah, worst case scenario, this is where we want to range for the session. Well, I mean, worst case scenario is a loss in it, but okay, we're taking out those highs again. Okay, yeah, this is a weird forming candle for sure. 5, 15, 30. Yeah, that doesn't make any sense. Yeah, so I mean, I haven't managed anything yet, or I haven't closed anything yet, so we're still in these positions. The soonest we're gonna manage is a tap into, well, I mean, at this point, yeah, it will be the break of this previous 5 lows, right? So yeah, let's I want to go AFK, but there's so much volume right now. Okay, come. Okay, so we're breaking those highs again. Yeah, this 5-minute candle closure is gonna be key, right? I'm not gonna manage anything off this 5 closure, but it's gonna be key, because if we close above that level on this 5, the chances this trade is gonna play out goes down by a lot, right? But we'll see. Yeah, we got a minute left for this closer. Yeah, we're pushing up here. Do I have my stop loss set? Let me put in my stop loss. Sell 2. Right. Yeah, so we're pulling up here. Yeah, let's see how we close on this 5. This is gonna be key. This is gonna be a key closer here. It's gonna be a key closer. One second, y'all. I'll be right back. I'll be back before the 5-minute closes here. Yeah, but I definitely won't. I'm not managing anything off this 5 close though. Okay, I'm back. I'm back. Yeah, so at the very least, we closed below. Let me change this. Yeah, at the very least, we closed below this level, right? We tapped into this level, now we closed below. I don't like that the first thing we did is come down, right? So we don't have a top wick. Man, I got no cardio, dog. Okay, now we flipped. Okay, so what's gonna happen here? Are we gonna drive up here, or are we gonna flip and continue pushing down? I don't like the minute closure as well. Yeah, I don't like the closures we're having right now, but most of this rests on the 30-minute. Let's see what's gonna happen. Let's see what's gonna happen. Let's see what's gonna happen here. All right. Let's see. Let's see what we get here. I mean, once this 30 closes, right? Once this 30 closes, if we close bullish on this 30, then you would look to manage risk, or I would look to manage risk. But for now, this could just flip at any point here. This could flip. So this last 5-minute, right, is gonna be is gonna be key. 1 second, guys. All right, we back. Yeah, we extending up here. We are pushing up. Yo. Yeah, so my first, in terms of managing this risk, if this does end up being an L, in terms of managing the risk, I'd be looking to manage with a close above 190.56. All right, if this 30-minute closes above 190.56, yeah, we could just come back down here, retest, and then right straight to stop loss. But as long as we close below, I'll keep it open, because then the hourly is still open, right? So now this hourly is taking out this previous high. We could just flip and then continue to drive down. All right, so, and at that point we shouldn't really wait, right? There shouldn't be much stalling going on here. Yeah, close back below. Yeah, so the trade is still valid for now. So 1 minute left for this closure. Ideally, you want to be below, I'd say 190. Yeah, this level here, right? Ideally, you want to be below 190.48. Ideally, but and even more ideally, you would want to be bearish, right? You would want to close bearish, right? But we'll see. We will see. Let me see what's gold though. I mean, what I say, whichever one I decide to focus on between GG and gold, the other one always drives, man, on some bullshit, right? But nah, this is yeah, to be honest, even if I was looking at this, I have no entries. Maybe this, right? Maybe take the buys here, right there. You're out at break even. The only issue is, yeah, the bottom wick, right? We did take out the lows though, so okay, we just closed on something, right? We closed on the 30 or the 15. Yeah, so 30-minute just closed. Okay, we respected that level, right? We respected that level, so we're still in this trade. We're still in the trade, but I mean, now, I mean, you're seeing this push down, right? Don't get too excited, because this could just push down, tap into this level, reject, and continue to push up, because we never took these highs, right? I mean, I would be more excited for the push down if we took these highs first before we started, you know, coming back down here, right? So anything can still happen here, but this trade is still valid at this point, right? The trade is still valid. Trade is still valid. Of course, you don't like that you close bullish on the 30, but we'll see. Let's see what happens here. I think the first 5-minute closure here should tell us everything we need to know about how this trade is gonna play out. Because if we close bullish on this 5-minute, right? So that means we're flipping and we're closing above this level, right? If we close bullish on this 5-minute, most likely, at the very least, you're gonna see a lot more drawdown, right? Before the move plays out for the sells, most likely, at the very least, right? At the very, I mean, at most, you get stopped out. You know, you get stop loss gets hit, but very least you'll see more drawdown. But if this 5-minute close is bearish below the level here, you should just drive. You should just drive down. You should drive down to these lows minimum. Take out these lows minimum. And to be honest, once we take out those lows, I'll probably close partials. Yeah, let's see though. We sitting here. We sitting here. We sitting here. Yeah, I think I haven't had too many drawdown streams in terms of extended drawdown anyways. Right, because at this point the only reason I'm still here is because we're in drawdown. Oh boy. Oh man. Yeah, because I don't have the of luxury to be here all day, so yeah, hopefully we know what's going on by 11. Hopefully something happens by 11. Win or loss. Win or loss. Yeah, so now we've created this bottom wick. Looks like we're coming up here. Are we gonna close bullish here? Yeah, if we close bullish, just grab your popcorn, man. Grab your popcorn, because we in for some more drawdown. Grab your popcorn, because we in for some more drawdown. Drawdown. Yeah, I don't even know how I would have entered gold. Gold is an enigma. Yeah, off of this. Yeah, this is the only sort of entry I can even see on gold. All right, closer of that 5, but 5 about to close here. How are we closing? Yeah, we came back down. Yeah, if this 5 can close bearish, that would be beautiful. If we can close bearish on the 5, that would be beautiful. Okay, so we closed bearish on the 5, right? We closed bearish on the 5. First thing we're doing here is creating a top wick. I'm gonna tell you what, guys, I'm gonna have a sell stop. I'm gonna have another sell. Hold up, if I can make it in time, I'm gonna have another sell here. It's the 5-minute. That's the 15, 30. Oh, I never took the highs though. Yeah, no, not yet. If we come up and take these highs, I'm gonna have a sell stop on the flip of this 5. Yeah, so we're coming up. Let's see, can we get a flip of the 5? Okay. Yeah, so nothing yet. Nothing yet. 4, 4, 3. Yeah, so no sell stops yet. But as soon as we take out those highs, these highs, I'm gonna have a sell stop at 190.443. The flip of this candle. I mean, it needs to happen on the 5 though. It needs to happen on the 5. It doesn't look like, so 1 minute left for the 5. 1 minute left for the 5. Okay, so it would need to be quick. It would need to be quick. It would need to literally be a quick push up and then come back down. But it looks like it's about to flip. Not quite. Still haven't flipped. And nah, definitely not taking any sells right now. Might as well just stay with my, original position. Right? Just because we haven't taken out these highs. Because if we take out these highs first and then flip like that, then yeah. Because right now this could still be a possible target, right? We could still be aiming for those highs to grab liquidity, right? But if we take out those highs first then flip, then it's a better move in my opinion. Okay, so yeah, that's the 5 just closed. I mean, the new 5 also opened, no bottom wick, but do I want to take that? Let me see. Yeah, but we didn't close respecting. This is sort of end of range right here, but yeah, end of range right there. That's a decent push up. That's a decent push up. Let me see. Let me see here. So this would be this level here, right? Do we have rejection off of that level? Let's see. Yeah, nah. I can't get into anything yet. Yeah, with the flip of this, a closure below, right? If we close below again, say we open no bottom wick, we create a top wick first, then maybe I can get another position. But for now, yeah, for now we chilling with our original position only. All we got. Music is all we got. Yeah, this 15 minute is gonna be key here. We got 3 minutes left for the 15. 3 minutes left for the 15. Okay, I'm gonna step away for a little bit. Let me see. 15-minute close. BE at what is it? $90.35 maybe. Okay, yeah, so I'll be back in a second. Got a minute left. Yeah, so I'll be back in a bit. So, okay. I just realized we're so close to the 15-minute close, and I'm like, oh, waiting on 15-minute close. Oh, disgusting. So that's a terrible open. Terrible open, even worse close, right? Yeah. Yeah, so terrible open, even worse close. But we can't manage anything here quite yet. All right, so 30. Really, it's not even the 30 anymore, right? That'll be the hourly closer. Okay, well, never mind. Yeah, I guess I won't go AFK because we are pushing down here. We are pushing down here. Okay, so I'll be around. I'll be around. Y'all should get a, if you don't have, get a position sizer. It will help you tremendously. Yeah, so yeah, let's see how this 5-minute closes here. If this 5-minute close is bearish, we should drive down. Yeah, if we have a 5-minute closure, 5-minute bearish closure, we should get a drive down to break even. To be honest, if we're gonna drive after doing all of this, right, after all this little dance we did, we should just drive straight through, to be honest with you. Okay, so we're back at pretty much break even. Yeah, let's see what happens here though. Let's see what happens here. So where would we look for rejection? It'll break this 4 hours as well. Yeah, That'll be the hourly almost flip on this one. Yeah, so 190.35, we're gonna go break even. So around here, we're going break even. So I haven't gone break even yet. You haven't gone break even yet. Yeah, this 5 minute is gonna be key. 5 minute closer is gonna be key here. Because why I have my break-even point over there? Because that's the flip, right? That's the flip of, is it the hourly or the 4 hour? Yeah, that's the flip of the hourly, right? If we've done all this, look at this. This is like Goliath top wick right here, right? So if we did all of that and then we have the flip on the hour, we should just drive straight down. If we did all that and then flip on the hourly, we should drive straight down. But let's see how this 5 minute closes, because we're getting into off-peak hours here. But we have been moving a little later in the session, though, I'm not gonna lie. So even then, off-peak hours aren't really off-peak hours, right? So, yeah. Yeah, if we're not at break even by the time this 5 closes, we need a bottom wick. I don't want, if we close no bottom wick, it's a long day, man. Wallah, it's a long day. Okay, so 10 seconds left. Let's see, can we drive here in 10 seconds? Maybe. 3, 2, 1. Okay, so there's a close. So I like the close. So it's a good close. We closed, opened, create a top wick first. Let's see what happens. As soon as we break those lows, we should see a drive. Okay, so we're at the bottom of that range. Yeah, so there you go. So right there. Okay, not yet. I'm not break even quite. Okay, right there, I'm gonna go break even. Cool. Cool. So right there, I'm break even. Let's see what happens. Let's see if we drive. Because now this is the hourly about to flip. Or flipped already, right? This is the hourly flipping. So let's see if we can drive here. Yeah, we might see some, we might see a lot of yeah, so we got to that level. Yeah, so I'm out of the trade break even. We out of that one break even. Okay, so I mean, you could still drive down here. You really could still drive down here, but yeah, with the way things are looking, look at the rejection off of that level. Right, look at the rejection you had off that level. Yeah, it's a crazy one. To be honest, since I'm already here, I'm gonna wait till the 11 o'clock close. Oh, my bad, guys. Let me see. Okay, so we were out on that one break even. We're coming down here. Do you even need to wait for a close though? 5 minute. Right, now you've tapped into this level. Alright, tapped into that level. 15. Close. Chat, I'm gonna, once this hourly breaks the low, F9. See, if this hourly breaks the low, I'm gonna have a sell. I'll probably enter manually too. this hourly breaks the low. Or no. How's this 5 gonna close? Let's see how this 5 closes here. How many minutes do we have for the hourly close? So this is the last 5. Let's see how this 5 closes. Okay, so we're gonna reject off that 5. If we close below this, level on the 5, I'll get back in. I'll sell manually. I will market execute. Yeah, so I mean, this is the name of the game, right? We wait that long for the trade just to end up break even. It is what it is. Okay, let me see. So 10 seconds here. Can we close below in 10 seconds? Probably not. Probably not, yeah? Probably not. So that being said, this hourly could still drive off the last 5. So let's see how we open here. So 5-minute open, no bottom wick. Then we flip. What's on you guys' screen right now? What am I showing right now? Okay, yeah, showing the right thing. Let's see. Okay, that would be a tap into where. I tell you what, guys, if we tap into, yeah, I want it to be exact. If we tap into 190.43 here, I'll have a sell stop on these lows on the flip. Okay. A lot of things happening here. A lot of volume in the market right now. We haven't tapped into the low. I wanted to tap exactly the low. Nah, I wanted to tap exactly or beyond. Yeah, it still hasn't tapped. I mean, we're flipping already. We're about to flip. We haven't flipped quite yet. Did we tap? Yeah, nah. I wanted to tap exactly, literally exactly the level. Cool. So we just tapped that level. I'm gonna have a sell stop. Gonna have a sell stop at 190.37. No. 190 point, I'd say 0.36. Yeah. Gonna have a sell stop at 190.36. 190.3837. Yeah, 190.37. Gonna have a sell stop at 190.37. Seven. Yeah, if that's how this ends up playing out, that would be perfect. But here's the thing: at 11 o'clock, since I am staying here till 11 o'clock, we could get some buys as well. Let me see what's gold saying. So gold did something. Oof, look at that. Yeah, gold did something. Yeah, I'm not too keen on taking. Oh well, gold, you could have sells here. If you have a top wick on this level, you could have sells. Oh yeah, for sure. I rate those sells. Yeah, if you come up here on gold, no bottom wick, tap into this level, flip, yeah, you could have the sells going down. Yeah, you have a decent bit of range too. Yeah, you have a decent bit of range. But I think you want to close below here though. Yeah, you want to close below there. Yeah, below 2260 would be ideal. Yeah, if you close below 2260, you should be good for the sells going down. But let's see, 30 seconds here. Can we flip in 30 seconds? Probably not. Yeah, probably not. There's a lot of volume to the top side right now. There's no news, right? Yeah, no news. Yeah, I'm gonna delete the stops. Yeah, gonna delete the stops. Damn. Hey yo. Ooh. So let's see. So we're out break even on one trade. Can we get another trade here at 11? Possible. It's possible. So that's a fake out, right? That's a fake out on the 30. Fake out on the 30 or fake out on the hourly actually. Fake out on the, ooh, look at that. Okay. Yeah, we don't need much. Oh, but you could still reject off of this level. I just don't like that we respected this level. Yeah, that's the only thing I don't like. It's that shit I don't like. All the way down here. Yes, this looks like it's gonna be a 4-hour trade. It's gonna be a trade based off of the 4. If anything. Let me see. 25. What does that look like? 30, 15. Yeah, I just don't like that we close respecting this level. That's the only thing I don't like about this. But now you have this fake out. 1 hour, 4 hour could fill that wick up. 30, 15. Let me see the 5. See the 5. Okay, I'll tell you what. First 5-minute closer above here, I'll take that buy. Yeah. Yeah, that makes sense. Yeah. First 30-minute closer above there, I'll take that buy. Sells, to be honest, I think I'm done. I'm done today for the sells. Yeah, any sells to come here would be like 11:30, right? I would need a 30-minute closer, really. Yeah, minimum I'd need a 30-minute closer because we already had this hourly fake out, right? So I would need a 30-minute closer to start taking these sells here. Yeah, that didn't hold, so yeah, that could just, so now I like that we tapping into that level here. Okay. Yeah, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna have a buy stop right now. I'm gonna have a buy stop. See, what is this, 4 pips? Yeah, not the best vantage point, is it? And the highs are not too far off, are they? Yeah, I'm gonna have a buy stop, guys. I'm gonna have a buy stop here. Close 13 right here, and lows 20. Yeah, I'm gonna have a buy stop on the break of this 5-minute high. Gold is probably doing bits right now. I'm out here slaving on GG. Let's see. Bro, what's going on? Bro. There you go. I'll probably market execute here. I'll probably market execute. Let's see. Five minutes about to close. How are we closing here? 5-minute closing. If we break the highs before the 5-minute close, I'll be in regardless, right? But looks like we're gonna respect. Are we respecting? Okay, we close barely above. I'll tell you what, as soon as this candle flips, guys, I'm gonna have a buy stop. Or no, not a buy stop. I'm gonna buy. 15:30. Buy. Yeah, close just barely above, huh? Just barely. Yeah, but it's above a rejection zone. Yeah, come down. Yeah, so I'm gonna buy right there. Yeah, so I'm in these buys. I am in the buys. I'm in the buys. Let's see. It didn't flip on TradingView, but it flipped on my broker. Right, it flipped on my broker. So let's see here. Oh yeah. So second trade of the day. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Yeah, we've been going for almost 4 hours, guys. Crazy. Yeah, so second position of the day. All right, second position of the day. $90.311. Let me just put in my stops here. Stop loss. TP. With everything we've done so far, I mean, TPs, not expecting much. Not expecting much. It's the 4-hour level. Yeah, so that's what I got right now. I'd say break even at the break of the highs of the 4. Break of the 4-hour highs, I'll go break even. So that's about here. Yeah, because once we break those highs, if we're still stalling at that point, I mean, I'm not trying to even be here, to be honest. If we're still stalling at that point, I'm not trying to be here and sit through more of that drawdown. But let's see. Let us see. So we're about to take those highs. Okay, so now we broke the highs. Can we see a push here? Can we see a push? It should be a big push. Like, as soon as we break those highs, we should see a big push. If we don't see push, like, I mean, that could just be, you know, maybe we're out of volume. We're in out of volume times, but yeah, if we break those highs, we should see a big push, man. Because 5 minutes about to close right now as well. 5 minutes about to close. At the very least, we need to close bullish. Very least, we need to close bullish. Yeah, let's see. Okay, so we're coming up. We sort of tapped into the level. Yeah, I'll consider that more as a zone. So we're technically at that zone, right? But let's see how this 5 minute closes. Let's see how this 5 minute. If we close no top wick, I'll move to break even immediately. So 6 seconds left. Okay. Okay, so 5 minute closed above the range, right, with a top wick. So that's good for now. That's good for now. Once we take out those highs again, I'm gonna go break even if we take out those highs. Okay. Yeah, looks like we're struggling. Hey, yo, man. Yeah, it looks like all that volume is sort of died out here. Okay, so once we take out those highs, I'm gonna go break even. Because at that point, you should push. If you're gonna push, you should push. Yeah, okay. Did we take out those highs? Sort of. Let's do it again. You want to see me do it again? There you go. Okay, so now I'm not going to break even, but I'm going to move my stop loss to the bottom of this current 5. Right, I'm going to move my stop. Actually, right there, I'm going to close. Okay, no. I haven't closed anything yet. Okay, let's see. So this is the 4 hour. This is the 4 hour highs, right? This is the 4 hour highs. Okay, so yeah, now right there, I'm gonna close because this is an hourly level, right? Is this an hourly level or no? Yeah, 190 point. Yeah. So right there, I'm gonna close majority of the position. Let me see, 1.5. So let me say 1.3. Yeah, right there. Boom. Nice. So right there. Nice, guys. Nice. So right there, I've closed majority of the position. We got runners going here. Up to 190.647. We got runners going here up to 190.647. Let me see. Yeah. And we just hit 5% of the profit target. Ladies and gentlemen, we did it. We did it. So there goes your extend cycle button, right? So now we have this we've extended for 14 more days, right? So now we have until middle of the month, April 20th. Good shit, boys. Nice, 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 nice. So, hey, patience pays, you know? Patience pays, patience pays. Cool, cool, cool. So again, that's why I say, you know, you have to update your outlook on the markets. You have to update, you have to be constantly updating your outlook on the markets, right? Constantly, constantly. Right? Because I mean, I've been looking for, I was looking for sales for about an hour there, right? And then, you know, price did what it wanted to do, right? I managed how I needed to manage the position, got out break even, you know, more candles started to print, and then, you know, the buy opportunities presented themselves, and now we've taken out our profits, right? So GG's on that one. GG's. We have some runners going up here. Let's see if we can feed the account right here. I mean, it's not gonna be much feeding. I already closed most of the positions, so yeah, man. Nice, nice, nice. Cool. So I'm just gonna update the stream real quick. Gonna update the stream. I told you guys we're going 30 for old this month. I'm telling you, we're going 30 for old this month. Ooh, okay, there goes a push. I'm actually just gonna close full right here. Yeah, I'm gonna close full right there. Yeah, there's no point in leaving it running, to be honest. Cause how much difference is this? 5 pip difference? Yeah, I'm gonna close full right there. Come on, boys, clap it up, clap it up, clap it up. Nice. And we're not clapping because, you know, we just showed up. You know, we stayed true to our plan. You know, we managed how we needed to manage. We took positions how we needed to take positions. And hey, we ate for the day. The kids got some food for the day. The kids ain't going hungry today. All right. So cool. That's cool. That's cool. If y'all stuck with the trade, GG's. If y'all left while I was in drawdown, hey, I understand. I would have left too. Yeah, so now we're starting to reject here, because I mean, we are in fufu hours at this point. We are in some questionable hours at this point, so I doubt we'll push up. I mean, we might push up to these highs, but I don't see us pushing up. I don't see us pushing up beyond this point for this session anyways, right? We might start ranging here, and then London session or Asian session we start pushing up, you know, to take these ranges up here. So but nah, that's a good trade. Oh yeah, I've been here for way too long, man. Way too long. Jesus Christ. Okay, let me see. I gotta organize these things, man. Okay, so 1 win, 1 break even. Oh shit. 1 win, 1 break even. Nice. I'm telling you guys, 30 and 0. Remember I said this. 30 and 0 for the month. Just remember I said this. Let's see. Stream record. So that's 17 and 6 for break even. Okay, current profit is outstanding 310. 310 on the stream record here. Cool. 310 on the stream record here. So we're just coming up, you know, slowly but surely, right? Eventually we'll get there, right? But for now, we got the extension, right? We got the extension on the challenge. We got till April 20th, which is I mean, it's 2 weeks. That's 2 weeks. It's 2 weeks. Well, it's more than 2 weeks technically. Oh, it's 2 weeks from what would have been the end, right? So yeah, so it's 3 Fridays from now, right? So including this week's Friday, so 3 Fridays from now, right? So yeah, nah, but thank you guys for showing up. Thank you for yeah, sticking around. I promise not all the trades are as spastic as that. Well, it wasn't really spastic, but yeah. But GG's guys, GG's. Have a good one. Have a good one. We'll be back here tomorrow, right? Wednesday. Bro, what is that window? Yeah, I think something's wrong with my laptop, man. I really hope not, but yeah, we'll be back tomorrow, 7:30 a.m. Eastern. I am spent. I am exhausted mentally, but I do have to go do things though. So yeah, I'll see y'all tomorrow, 7:30 a.m. Eastern. Same place, same time, same strategy, same discipline. Okay. Catch y'all on the next one, and peace.